What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Chick to the. We fixing to do a beat. I feel like doing some type of. I just got through listening to some watching some sexy red videos, and I don't know why, but she be going kind of hard. I don't know. I'm kind of into the female rappers lately for some strange reason. They kind of going hard. They putting it on. But anyway, so I feel like I'm fixing to do a beat that's gonna be similar to that style. At least I'm gonna attempt to. So let's see if we can find some sounds that's going to complement it. I think we're going to keep it kind of simple too. Like real simple. Let's see, let's just go on and crank that tempo up. We may be on the sign. I don't know what they're gonna sound like, but we're gonna see what they're. Ooh. Yeah, I feel like we need some keys, some choruses. Let's find some choruses. Rolls. That's good enough. Come on now, let's go. There was nothing like I just played, but we're gonna make it work. What that is. Oh, you may be on to something. Kind of like that. It's different. let's just go on over here. We're gonna keep it El Simple. Baby, we already done, man. I just be making these beats quick as hell. God damn. Let's go to the playlist. Where is the playlist? Cause playlist way down here on this screen. We gonna let's gonna duplicate this pattern out. Let's clone it. Control Alt C. Control Alt C. That ain't do what I said. Control. What did I say? No, Shift Control. See, I probably messed up the whole damn beat. We're gonna say we're gonna make that. Then I think on 2, that's when we are going to run it out for the chorus. Let's do this. We want to change that to that so we can stop it. Hey, hey. And then we'll start part 2 off. Verse 2, we're gonna do that like get that back right. Let's see, verse 4, what I want to do, we're gonna take out let's take out the kick, what the kick sound like. Okay, let's do that. Let's delete that. Switch back to song mode. Hey, yeah. Now we gotta go back to 1, pattern 1. Too much going on. Let's take out the hi-hat. Let's listen to that again. And let's go back to it. Boom, we got that done. Then let's try to mix this nice, simple, and quick. Cause that's what I do. Bend that ass over, let that Gucci breathe. I kick it. Let's get some. We're gonna do this. We're gonna cut that. Cut that ass off. We're gonna use 3 buttons. Bring it up. Now what happened if we add a fruity filter on it? I don't think That's what I'm looking for. And we're gonna use no. No, we don't want to use that. Let's just delete that for now. And what about if we put that over here? Alright, let's start that back over. So I'm here again. Put a little slizzle in there. And this echoes. It's kind of harsh. Let's tone that down too. Let's do the same up top. Feel like we need to crispy that up a little bit. Let's go ahead and crispy it up. Cut that low end out. I like cutting off the low end, even though you can't hear it. Look at that. That don't need to be nowhere in there. Look at that. Look at that. Sounds way better. Then come on back over here, demo it. Let's do the same thing with that. We don't need all that low end, cuz. Bring that up right there. Put a little crispy in. Then we want to do a little overdrive. Make it pop a little bit. We're going to slap compressor on it. Because that's too much. And then I will do hard. Let's put a limiter on there too, cuz we don't want that going over. Hey, let's fatten that up with a little overdrive. Hey, yeah. Oh, now we need to just add before we do anything else. Do I like that? I like that. Oh, I need to do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's change that back to step. It's kind of loud. Boom. And we got a beat. I don't know if that sounds like a sexy red or slutty red or slooba dooba dooba red, but we got a beat. This your boy. Let me know what you think in the comments. I may do a rap to it. I don't know what that sounds like.